New 5-inch full-color TFT display. The 2025 Honda ADV 350 is now equipped with a 5-inch full-color TFT meter panel, replacing the previous LCD display. This new display offers clearer displays and more functions. Honda RoadSync connectivity. The Honda RoadSync connectivity feature is now available on the 2025 model. This system allows smartphone connection to the scooter, providing easy access to various functions via a 4-way toggle switch. Convenience and practicality features. Underseat light. U-Box light. The 48-liter underseat storage compartment U-Box is now equipped with a light, making it easier for riders to see their belongings in the dark. Self-canceling indicators. The indicators on the 2025 ADV 350 now feature an auto-cancel feature,